And we are shifting focus to some more breaking developments that it's a mega Facebook cleanup right ahead of the elections when they take place. Because what we are getting to know that Facebook in total has removed 687 pages and accounts that is linked to the Congress party ahead of the elections that take place. Because this is a big development that is taking place as far as the Congress linked pages that has been removed by Facebook, and this is a mega cleanup task that they have been doing just before elections take place so that there is also no violation of any model code of conduct. Now, this is a mega cleanup that is being done right now. Let me straight away go across to Piyush, who has more information with him. Piyush, just explain us the move that Facebook has done just before elections, 684 pages, and what is the Congress link that is now coming to fore? We'll just quickly reconnect that line with Piyush, but this is big because this is something that was not precedented when you have Facebook removing 687 pages that is linked to the Congress party. Now, what exactly is the link with the Congress party that is being explained by Facebook? And this is something that is being done just before the elections take place. In fact, 10 days to go for the first phase of election. What exactly is the Congress link that is also coming forward? Well, that will be an explanation that will be given to us by our reporters. But there you can see on your television screens, which says removing coordinated inauthentic behavior and spam from India and Pakistan. That is what Facebook seems to be putting up on all those 687 pages in its massive cleanup drive. What exactly is the inauthentic behavior and spam and coordinated inauthentic behavior and spam that has been picking up from India and Pakistan? Well, this is a controversy that seems to be hitting the Congress party before the elections take place. Piyush, if you can hear me now, take us through what exactly is the Congress link here.
Well, exactly now, if we go by reports, we are learning that Facebook has now asked for the removing of 687 pages. And remember, all these pages are linked with Congress party, and these pages have been asked by Facebook to remove that. Remember, there was a meeting also of Facebook and the social media platforms with the Election Commission, and now we're learning that Facebook has now asked to remove 687 pages and also the accounts those were linked to the Congress party ahead of polls. So the massive controversy which is now breaking out just 10 days ahead of first phase of Lok Sabha polls. And now we'll have to wait and watch how Congress party is going to react on this. But yes, it's not turning out to be a massive controversy. We are also learning that Facebook has also asked to remove 103 accounts linked to Pakistani military employees. So there are some similarities that are now emerging as far as this controversy is concerned. And it's high time that Congress party must come out and explain on this, because there are at least 687 pages to have been asked by Facebook to remove.
Piyush, stay on with us. Our editor Niranjan Narayanasamy is also joining us from the Mumbai newsroom, and he has that page opened up where the Facebook seems to be suggesting and talking about authentic, synchronized, coordinated behavior in spam that has been removed, Niranjan.
Well, that's correct. They've called it inauthentic coordinated behavior. Inauthentic coordinated behavior. I have the full report with me. If my video journalist can just focus here, I'm going to read out the key parts. Now, they have said today we have removed two separate unrelated networks of pages, groups and accounts that are engaged in coordinated inauthentic behavior on Facebook and Instagram. First, linked to individuals associated with the Indian National Congress. Indian National Congress IT cell. Second was connected to individuals associated with an Indian IT firm. They have removed 687 Facebook pages and accounts for engaging in coordinated inauthentic behavior in India. Essentially, what this means is that the individuals behind this activity used fake accounts, majority of which had already been detected and suspended by our automated systems, and joined various groups to disseminate their content and increase engagement on their own pages. The page admins and account owners typically posted about local news and political issues, including topics like the upcoming elections, candidate views, INC and criticism. They've given an example here. If I can just show the example, It's much bigger than we thought, because they say that the presence of Facebook, 138 pages, 549 Facebook accounts, 206,000, that's over 2 lakh accounts followed one or more of these pages. Advertising, look at the kind of money they spend. $39,000 in spending for ads on Facebook, paid for in Indian rupees. The first ad ran in August 2014. The most recent ad ran in March 2019. Below is a sample of the content. Here it is. Facebook posting details of, what the Congress party tried to do and the kind of post they're trying to push in what it calls inauthentic coordinated behavior. This is one such post of the Gujarat Congress that was pushed using money on Facebook. Caption: Rahul Gandhi's call out for justice against Modi's injustice. Image tech, and going on to, of course, talk about the different posters that were used, the kind of captions that were used, and what they tried to do to sort of try and push it. Now, some of the posts that they tried to push out is also here. And I think what is most important and what is important to note, yeah, here you go. They have some, they've posted some news clippings as well, and how they used to sort of push some of these clips as well. I'm handing it back to you, but what we'll do is we'll come back with more details of some of these coordinated social media activity, paid activity, which was against Facebook norms. I think they've also posted a Gujarat Congress article. I'm handing it back to you.
So this is a mega cleanup drive that Facebook has taken forward when it comes to what it explains on its side, that it calls coordinated inauthentic behavior. So far, Niranjan and Piyush, thank you very much. We are moving on to more breaking developments.